Good morning everyone. This is the lecture for class 4th, subject English, lesson 1 sentences. Lesson 1 sentences, and this is the first lesson in your grammar book, and this is our lecture 1, in which I will tell you about what is sentences and how you frame different sentences. So I will proceed with the definition. Definition: a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Example: I am a boy, you are a girl. So the definition for the sentence is: a sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. The words in sentence should be placed in proper order to make sense. Example: saw a snake eye doesn't make sense. These are few words, but they are not making sense. That's why it is not a sentence. I saw a snake. It makes sense. So it is a sentence. I hope you understand that the words which make sense, those particular words make a sentence. So a sentence must begin with a capital letter, ends with full stop or a question mark or a exclamation mark, depending on kind of sentence. So it is on the depending upon the sentence. A sentence must make sense. A sentence may have subject. Now I will tell you how you frame a sentence. How to frame sentence. Subject plus verb. He is subject over here. Plays is verb, and we make a sentence. He plays. So this is a sentence with a subject and verb. Subject plus verb plus object. Cows is subject, eat is verb, and grass is object. So again this is a sentence. These are group of words which are arranged properly and they are also making sense. That's why it is a sentence. Now I am assigning you some work. Now homework time. Given below are group of words. Rearrange them to make sentences. Add punctuation marks and capital letter whenever required. One has been done for you. I am giving you few group of words and you have to arrange those words to make a sentence. You have to take care of putting punctuation marks. Whenever needed, you have to put capital letters. One example, I am just showing you how you have to do. Now this is the exercise 1 which you have to do in your notebook and by making a proper format. So, girl this well writes. This girl writes well. So this is the correct answer because first word is alphabet is capital and in the end I put a punctuation mark, that is full stop. So in the same manner you have to do the second one. Girl ran little garden. The into the. You have to arrange the words and you have to arrange in a manner that so that they can make sense. Ravi sapling little the planted. So these are more words to make a sentence and you have to take care of capital letters also. We school to same the go. These are few more words and this is the D part. Now the next part is E. Boy the sad is. F part, these belong to us balloons. So you have to arrange these words to make sentences. Now again there is a second exercise for you, and this is the easy one exercise. Only 5 minutes you have to give, and you have to do this exercise in your notebook also. Underline the complete sentence in each pair. I am giving you 2 pairs of words, and you have to underline the complete sentence. The pair of words which is complete sentence, you have to underline it. You have to add full stop or a question mark on it. One has been done for you. You have to put a full stop and a question mark on it. So A part, Sameer plants flowers. So one I am doing for you. The second in this pair is plants flower. So the correct formation of the sentence which is giving a meaning is Sameer plants flowers. So over here S is capital and I put full stop over here. So I have done according to the question asked. So I put capital letter and a full stop. So this is the sentence. In the same manner you have to do the second one. Likes to read story books. Ruchi likes to read story books. You have to underline the correct sentence and you have to put the punctuation marks on it. Now the third one, paints picture. Second pair is Riya paints a picture. Third one, now D part, a kind man. Hari is kind man. So you have to put punctuation mark as well as to underline the complete sentence. Now E part, the bird hopes the bird. These two are the pair of words. F part, short paragraph. Can you write short paragraph? So I am giving a hint over here that over here I put a question mark to help you out, and this is also a punctuation mark, and we have to put the first word capital. So this is the correct sentence. Now G part, blue dress. Do you have a blue dress? You have to underline the correct sentence. You have to put the punctuation mark. So I hope you understand. I have given you the 2 exercises to do. In one you have to arrange the words in the sentence, and in the second one you have to underline the complete sentence and you have to put punctuation marks as well as you have to make capital letters whenever necessary. So you have to complete this work in your notebook accordingly. Make the format first, go through the lecture first, and you can go through the lectures twice also, so that it will be easy to complete the work. So I hope you will complete your work. Thank you.